flexing my pambahay outfit, guys. Flexing my crop top na nabili, guys, for only 30 pesos. OMG. I feel so happy, guys. Look. Ayan. It makes me pretty, guys. It makes me young. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan. For only 30 pesos, guys. OMG. I really love it, guys. Ayan. Medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking body, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda na ng aking likod, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Pack na pack yan siya. Ayan, guys. So, pack na pack. Ayan, o, diba? Yung aking, nag-shape na yung aking likod, guys. And then, medyo lumaki na yung aking butt. Tsaka yung aking legs, guys. O, diba? Ayan, only my tummy na lang. Kunting push na lang to, guys. Kunting exercise na lang to. Ayan, ganun, guys. O, diba? Kunting exercise na lang siya, guys. Like this. I'm doing like this every day, guys. When I woke up early in the morning, I'm doing my legs exercise. Ayan, just like this. To bigger my legs, guys. And to flat my belly. Ayan. Ganitong exercise lang yung ginagawa ko araw-araw, guys. Ayan, kasi ayoko nung mabibigat na guys, binubuhat. Only mild exercise only yung aking ginagawa, guys. Ayan. And then, ayan, ganito. Ayan, guys. My daily exercises. Ayan, o, diba? Ayan, my tummy. My belly fats. And then, this one. Ayan, guys. Like this. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Para maano yung aking tummy. Para magkaroon ako ng abs, guys. Ayan, ang bilis kasi maano ng aking tuhod, guys. Ang bilis sumakit ng aking tuhod. Kaya naman, ayan, dahan-dahan lang yung aking pag-exercise, guys. Ayan, ganito. Ayan, I count 1 to 100. My legs exercise every day. Ayan, ganito lang, guys. Ayan, to make my belly fats, thin. Ayan, to make my belly fats become flat. Become flat, guys. Ayan, kasi medyo, yung aking digestion, guys. Ang hirap mag-digest. Kaya, kunti-kunti lang yung kinakain ko, guys. Ayan, look, my belly. Ayan, kailangan magkaroon siya ng abs. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, ganito lang ako mag-exercise, guys. Ayan. 1 to 100. O, diba? Medyo nag-slim na nga po ako ngayon, guys. So, yung aking shoulder, nag-thin na siya. Lumiit na siya, guys. Kasi, ayan, everyday I'm doing exercises. Like this. Like this, guys. Ayan, my shoulder exercises. Ayan, so that my shoulder become thin. And also my back, guys. Ayan, this kind of exercise, guys, can help your body thin. Can help your body shaping. Ayan, oh. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, guys, o, diba? Nakita nyo ba yan, guys? Yung aking tummy. Ayan, medyo lumiit na siya, guys. Medyo lumiit na. So, ayan. Ayan, kailangan ko pang guys, mag-exercise. Ayan, 2 months pa, guys. 2 months more. 2 months more, guys, to flat my belly. Like this. Ayan. Doing like this. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Ayan. Ang bilis ko kasi mapagod, guys. Ang bilis yung aking legs, sumakit. Yung aking tuhod, guys. Ayan. Iba talaga pag tumatanda na tayo, guys. Ayan, ang bilis natin mapagod. Ayan, kaya naman, only this I'm doing, guys. Ganitong exercise lang. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. Ayan, ayan po. Ayan, sa ibang araw naman, guys. Tomorrow naman. Ayan, so that's it for today. I really love it, my crop top, guys. I'm so happy because I buy it for only 30 pesos. I really love it, guys. Ayan, pack na pack. Pack na pack. Ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, ayan, it makes me pretty, guys. It makes me beautiful. Ayan, parang ang puti ko tingnan, guys, sa aking crop top, diba? I feel young. I feel, guys, pakiramdam ko, guys, nasa 20s lang ako. Ayan, diba? Ang laki ng ibinata ko, guys. Pakiramdam ko nasa 25 lang ako, guys. 25. Ayan. O, diba? Parang ang bata ko lang tignan, guys. Pero nasa 30s na ako, guys. Ayan. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye!